Okay, this is the new project. There's a lot going on here, so I'll just explain it in the order that it happened. This area here was sprayed with glyphosate about a month ago. I let that die down, and then the left 2/3 or so, took a garden rake out here and scraped up some of the thatch to expose the dirt, and then I sprinkled seed on that and raked the thatch back on top of it to use as a mulch. From this log over to the left, I put hard red winter wheat, and to the right of it, winter rye. I'd use the rake for the thatch up to right about here, and got tired of that, so I thought I'd do another experiment, then see what happens if I don't do that. So from here on over, it was never raked, and when I tossed the seed down, it landed right on top of all that mess there. Yeah, which you can see there, it's been raining on and off the last few days. I did this Saturday. It's Wednesday now. They started germinating. Miraculously, the birds have not gotten into it yet. So, see how that goes. Yeah, so I did the wheat and the rye on the raked and unraked, sprayed and dead areas. And then whenever I came out to do the seed, I also broadcast more of the winter wheat off further to the left in the unsprayed area, and then after broadcasting, sprayed it. So this is still green. It should start dying off soon. It was kind of cloudy that day, and then it rained a few hours later, so I'm not sure how well that's actually going to take. That's not really ideal for glyphosate. And then I did the same thing over off to the right on this side with winter rye. And sprayed it. I broadcast the rye over here and sprayed up to right about where this ironweed plant right here is with the purple flowers. And then I kept going and sprinkled more, broadcast more winter rye up till right about where all those Osage oranges are laying, if you can see that. I can't really see it in the camera. Yeah, right about up to there. Right around in here somewhere. So this has got seed in it all the way. This is about 1/8 of an acre here, the whole area. Then there's this area over on the other side of the driveway where I took the seed spreader and loaded up about for about 6 pounds of seed of the winter rye, and I broadcast that from probably right about there in here somewhere. Down to about the edge of this ditch here. And then I ran the mower, just ran the mower over it, most of it. I left this part right here unmowed. And that is going to be the last that this gets mowed this year. This is just going to get left alone. See what happens, if anything. But I had a 50-pound bag of seed, so I had plenty of extra. I only used, I think for all of this I may have used 10 to 15 pounds. But that is this winter's experiment. We'll see how that goes. See if anything comes from all that. This was mostly based on videos that I've watched from people who were starting deer food plots. I've actually seen similar techniques work. They seem to have better luck by broadcasting into tall grass and weeds and then rolling over it with a cultipacker and spraying it with Roundup. Not necessarily in that order, and that is not what I did. I don't have a cultipacker. I wish I did, but I don't. So I'm doing what I can with what I got. But yeah, I guess that's it. Mostly documenting this so I'll remember what I did. So I'll know how to interpret the results. But alright, that's the beginning of the 2021-2022 winter cereal grain garden experiment.